Yo guys, it's your boy, it's 21 Trader in this bit. It's not 21 Boy. I did record this for a different channel, but I decided to bring it back to this channel and bring this channel back to alive. But I am reposting the video. It's the same type of content. It's the same type of things I do want to post on here. I will be posting Monday through Saturday is the goal, because Monday trades, Tuesday trades, Wednesday trades, Thursday trades, Friday trades, and Saturday will be an overall breakdown of the week or something along those lines. But I just wanted to quote on that. This is 21 Trader. Shit, this is not 21. FX Jared A. No longer 21 Trader. Obviously, this is the very beginning of the channel, so I can make changes like that. But at the end of the day, this is how we rocking, and this is how we going. You know what I'm saying? So back to the video. This is a new video for 21. Jesus Christ. FX Jared A. Like, subscribe, we'll do all them things. Yes. Yo, what's good, y'all? It's your boy 21 Boy in it bit, and I'm back with another video. I'm not even gonna cap. I'm gonna keep everything short and simple. I'm kind of tired of the long intros. So why am I doing this? What is this series called? So this is called Trading Until I Have 600K, and I will explain this. I am choosing Forex for this entrepreneurship route due to the fact that I've been doing this for 3 years, and honestly I feel like this is the best thing for me personally, because I have a true passion for this, and honestly I feel like this is the right thing to do, to post and to make video content and to just pursue the Forex entrepreneurship route on YouTube. I don't really care how many views this get, how many views how many people will join this journey. I just need to see myself document this live and make videos about it, and why not post it? By the way, I already do this. I only do it on Instagram, and I have around 2,000 posts on Instagram, so I might as well just do this for YouTube but make it public, and I might as well just do it. So I started about 3 years ago, like I said, and I'm just ready to just move forward. You know what I'm saying? Like, you get to that point where it's just like, I'm tired of being in the same place. I'm tired of doing this. I'm tired of doing that. I'm not even posting. Why am I doing this? I am so tired of just not being where I want to be. So I want to pursue the entrepreneurship route of being a Forex trader, and why not do it with YouTube? I mean, document it with YouTube from the start to beginning. Like I said, I've been doing this for 3 years, but this year feels weird. This past few months has just been different than the other years. I feel like 2022 was just a huge experience gap that needed to be fulfilled. Now that whole year was just fulfilled with this experience, and all of the stars is just aligning up. So I'm just ready to just cannonball forward into a new life, I guess. I don't know. How is this series going down? Okay, this series is going to go down as parts. So part 1, part 2, part 3, until the last video is done. So now we're going to transition to the screen and go back and forth from obviously my face to the screen to my face to the screen to my face. You know what I'm saying? So we're going to transition to the screen to see what pairs we're going to trade and everything around that. Okay, as you can see, I have, for me personally, this works for me, and I tried every single way of trading. I went from scalping, day trading to swing, to day trading to swing, to day trading to swing. And scalping just never clicked with me. I just kept on going from day trading to swing trading. They both kind of worked for me until I came up with this specific plan for me. And yes, I'm still going through it, but I want to document it. So for me, I have watch party and I have loading, and obviously back testing and deleted symbols. So watch party is basically self-explanatory. You basically watch these pairs, and obviously I just added party because, you know, watch party, you know what I'm saying? But for me, watch party is basically trades that can possibly load within a few days to hours, and just pairs I really want to pay attention to. That's it. So for me right now, it's GJ, Euro AUD, USD CAD, and USD JPY. So as you can see, GJ kind of like doing this thing, and it just this is watch party. And for loading is AUD. And I'll get to all the live trades right now, but AUD, NZD, Euro J. So it's literally 14 pairs. If it's over here or to the right, obviously I'm looking to take this, you know, bias position. So basically a buy. I'm basically looking for a buy in this situation. But when it's like this, I'm not in the position. I am live back testing. You got to understand that is very important when it comes down to trading, is either back testing or, you know, live back testing. So honestly, I want to clean this up just a little bit. I have this going on. This is just a live back test to see how would this react with like no candlestick confirmation, and or just to see how it react at resistance. So that's right now. I placed this. I didn't place it. I just put this on the screen about whenever this was, Monday at 1 in the morning. So basically yesterday. Today Tuesday? Yeah, I just placed this here. I'm like, see what happens. Yada yada. Nothing's happening. Gold. I actually was looking for this. I was actually looking to take this entry, but I just haven't. And I gotta get in the habit of actually trading London. My pairs, I can trade London, but I mainly trade New York. But this has been running for so long. I just left it here. Live back testing is basically me collecting data to see, you know, what I can, how can I reference this in the future for other pairs and other, you know, setups. So for GU, I'm gonna explain this later because I'm gonna explain this towards the end of the video. This was the trade I did take. I'm not too happy about it, but I'm gonna give you a reason why I took it and why it had potential and it just completely underperformed. So that's that. I'm gonna give you a basic rundown of what I'm specifically looking for. I'm not gonna give you no full strategy or nothing. I'm going to just specifically show you what I'm specifically looking for a trade. And like I said, the reason why I'm recording and posting this on YouTube is because I want to take full responsibility of my mistakes and me like not following my plan or whatever the case may be. So what I'm basically looking for, I'm looking for 4 things. I'm looking for the trend direction. I'm looking for support or resistance. So S-R, shit. S-R, support or resistance. I'm looking for EMA time sync, and I'm looking for candlestick confirmation. So candlesticks. That's it. And the rest, I have more confirmations, but this is the basic rundown of what I'm specifically looking for in the market, because this is going to show me that the trade is actually worth looking for and like worth trading and worth throwing in watch party. And to be completely honest, like this is going to be a journey. This is going to be a roller coaster of emotions. This is going to be ups and downs, side to sides, consolidations, bullish runs, higher highs, higher lows, wherever you want to call it. It's going to be a journey. And I want to document it. I want to edit it. I want to continue to look back at it and see what I've done wrong and to honestly show what I'm thinking. Even though I'm not no big time creator, it doesn't matter. I'm still gotta create something for myself. You know what I'm saying? What is the mindset behind trading for me in this situation? I have to keep my word. What I mean by that is stick to your strategy and take responsibility and actually show your wins and your losses. Transparency is key. The mindset behind this challenge is to be transparent, be responsible for your wins and your losses. When you win, cool. When you lose, cool. Why did you win? Why did you lose? What is the mindset behind this? Is to keep the same exact thought process. Stay strong and just don't get no negative trading habits. Don't do nothing ridiculous, because that's one of the reasons why I was held back for so long, and kind of maybe I break out of that, then I end up going back because of whatever the case may be. It's ridiculous. But so let's go back to the GU. So let's start off from the daily. So the daily, honestly, is still not even done. So that's the one issue. That's the one issue I know I had. But the reason I took this is because of smaller time frames. So ideally, you would want to take a sell right here. No ifs, ands, or buts. You should be looking to take a sell right here. So that was my one mistake. 2, I was on a 4-hour. Obviously, this looks good by itself, right? I had a temporary trend line. That's what I call it. I call it a temporary trend line. I put that there and it's nearby. That's the second thing backing up the daily. That's backing up the daily and also this resistance area, because it can do whatever it wants here as long as it gets here and it can sell off. And or if if this is telling us that price already is done with this move and is going to go up, retest and continue to go up, that's different. If it's going to break out of this, we'll see that. You know, it's not going to be the hardest thing to identify as long as you keep your eyes open and stay peeled and stay sharp. So on the 1 hour, let's go back to the time. It was literally right here. So right here, I took a position of right here before this massive bullish engulfing, right? I took this position because it was looking quite good. Mind you, this is what I had going. This is the temporary trend line I was talking about. It had a temporary trend line, broke trend line, retested it multiple times, looking for a continuation. No ifs, ands, or buts. That is like a simple ass trade. Me day trading, I've seen this happen so many times, time and time again, especially trying to fill in these points in the market where it can just go to support. That's it. That's all I was looking for. I was looking for literally just TP3, TP2, well, TP1, TP2, TP3. That's it. That's all I was looking for. And it had already retested. It didn't retest resistance. It had no resistance area. That's the number one issue I had with the trade. But it was so dynamic. That's why I gave the EMA more leverage, and I shouldn't have done that because it now didn't make it an A+ setup. It made it kind of like a B, C setup because one of our main confirmations is support and or resistance. But this looked so good. You gotta give me credit. You gotta give me credit. It came off of a doji. You know what I'm saying? That can be an evening formation. It just had to retest the EMA, retest the temporary trend line, and it was already on the downside, and it broke structure for a continuation. And the 30-minute looked really good as well. And the 30-minute helped as well. And then when price just did this, not that. That was fine. When price kept going but did that, I was like, you know what I'm saying? And then price just kept on messing about. And honestly, the best entry in this situation, specific situation was at least this. Because now even the stop loss is still small. And that's the thing. I should be having 20 pip stop losses as well. This trade was a 60 pip trade, so I didn't really have the need to have a wide stop loss, especially since it just didn't need it. Because if it was wrong, it would show that. You know what I'm saying? So price just is still sitting there. So for me personally, I used to see that my trades, my MT5 positions don't match my trader's view positions. Because of that, this is still active while MT5 has a stop loss. It already got stopped out. Today we got stopped out due to the fact that our position was right here off this beautiful entry signal right here. And it just, and our stop loss was like right above here because honestly we didn't need that much because it seemed like it was being held down pretty well. And that was all she wrote. So this is the challenge: trading Forex until I have 600K. So with my Forex funds is basically max funding of 600K, and that's why this is no clickbait. I'm not clickbaiting you, okay? This is just how it is. This is how it is with Forex, and this is how it is with YouTube. I gotta get the views, you know what I'm saying? So if you're going to enjoy this video series, you actually looking forward to this video series and want to follow along, you know what to do. Subscribe to the channel and like the video, and all I gotta say is I'm out of here, gang.